Good afternoon, ladies and gents. 14th of March 2022, officially my second video for my new channel. Since, as I mentioned earlier, my original channel is misbehaving and I've had enough. So here we are starting from scratch in 2022. Video number 2. We are near Gherkin. For now we are lucky with the weather. It's been on and off cloudy and sunny, so every minute counts. This will be a short video, around 15 minutes, because I'm lazy. Life is too short. Life is too short. I've got my goals to achieve, and keeping it short and sweet will help me to achieve them, hopefully sooner with less effort. Let's see. That's my strategy at the moment. So let's see. That's a nice view. It's around 2 o'clock. That means not many people around at this time. It's Wednesday, middle of the week. I'm gonna be somewhere in a better location for 5-6 p.m. when we've got rush hour after work. So for now I can just walk around wherever. I feel like I'm in Pakistan, guys. With the difference, these guys have actually different motorbikes, not the same red Honda you see in the whole Pakistan. But yeah, every time I see motorbikes like this, that's all I think about. Oh my goodness, I think I'm scared for life. Never seen more motorbikes than in Pakistan. I don't think so. I remember Hanoi in Vietnam. It's been a long time, so potentially they had a lot as well. Who knows? I can't remember. That was 2007, long time. Anyway, let's get this beautiful view in of the Gherkin. As much as I can tilt it. Whoa. Yes, we got it all in. Something is wrong with the gimbal. It's misbehaving as well. It's tilting on one side. I can see that. Apologies for that. I tried to fix it already after my first video. Nothing seems to be working, so I'll just get on with it and try to talk some sense into it as I walk around. I'm just happy it doesn't rain. So this is what Gherkin looks like on the ground level. That's the entry there. Oh, and we've got some street food going on there. That's good. What's cooking good looking? Let's see, Japanese street food. There was time when my channel my YouTube channel was all about street food. I prefer not to do that anymore. But since I'm here, I may as well get some shots for you guys. Food is always popular, so I can't go wrong with that.
Yeah. 54? 54?
There was burgers and fries. Burger is about to be made there. Yum, yum, yum. And Malaysian street food. Oh, I think I've seen these guys. It's the blue, literally blue rice. I think I've seen them in Victoria Park. And I better go because I hear the music. So yeah. What are that is? Oh, that is burritos, rice bowls. Oh no way! This is the Frenchie. Yum yum yum. I sniffed them out. Here they are. My favorite thing to eat. I love duck. Duck is my #1 food in the world. That's what it is. Yum yum yum. And I think it's from France. From France, right? The best one. I've tried before many times. Yeah, many times. I love it. Thank you so much. Take care. So yeah, office workers have good choice of food here. Everybody enjoying the sunshine. Wednesday afternoon. Why is my gimbal tilting so much? My goodness. Anyway, it is what it is. I've been here before. I know I have to get myself in a corner to get you a good view of the building for those that haven't been here and are curious what it looks like from different angle. So there are doors everywhere. The windows look super clean, like they've just been cleaned. Oh my goodness, that's the most I can tilt it. I guess that's the most. Black cab for one of my subscribers. As I mentioned in my previous video, I've got somebody obsessed with black cabs So I'll focus on them a lot just to make him happy.
They got cancelled because Acid was shouting at the other.
That's the life, guys. That's the life. Oh my goodness. Chubby dumpling. I missed this one on the way in. Let's see the prices. I like the little lantern here, and that's where the magic happens, I guess. I'm here for the view. The old and the new. Starting to rhyme today. I'm here for the view. The old and the new. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is cool. I guess this is for people that work here and want some time out. Who knows? Look at that reflection of the Gherkin. Ladies and gents, boys and girls, 15 minutes is up. Second video for the day is ticked off. Moving on to the next one. Have to bang them out today. I sound like a proper real man. It is what it is. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.